Hello, seventh graders. Today, Wednesday, September 30th, and it's a review day. So, today, because it's a remote day, you are working all virtual at home. Remember, check in with us at those designated times. If you need help, we have office hours there. Hop on the Zoom, and we'll be glad to help you if you can't find something. But today, excuse me, you are doing something a little bit new, at least for science. So, if you look, we're kind of getting in the Halloween spirit here with our brains, but you are going over to Brain Pop today. Brain Pop, you might have used it in elementary school. You probably didn't really use it last year in sixth grade. But Tim and Moby are going to help you review body systems today. There's a couple activities there, and I'm going to show you how to get there. So if you read the box, it says Brain Pop can be found via Clever. So you will need to go to your Clever page. And this is the kind of tricky part. You would think if we're using it for science class, it would be under science, and that is not the case. For us, it is actually under language arts. So here's what I mean. I'm on Clever. Here at the top of my Clever page, you can see my favorites. I've already favorited it. You might want to put those little heart marks near the ones that you're using really often. But scroll down, keep scrolling, and you see English language arts. And here is our Brain Pop friend. So we're going to click on Moby there. And it should load for you. Yours will look different than mine. Again, teacher view versus student view. But when it loads, and because you're logged into Clever, it automatically logs you in to your account. You're going to get a dashboard. And up here in this black bar, kind of up here at the top, there should be, oh, there's mine. Up here in this blackboard, or this black bar, you're going to want to go to this dashboard. This dashboard is going to take you directly to your assignments. Again, yours will look different than mine, teacher versus student view. But this is my student dashboard, and you can see there's some assignments there for you. There are 3 things that you're going to do today. First is watch the video, go through with Tim and Moby over all of those body systems and how they connect one more time. And then you are going to go to the quiz. You're going to take the quiz. And then there is a nuts and bolts game that you are going to help Moby build a robotic Tim. And that one will give you all of those fun little, you have to build all of his little organ systems in there. The other thing you're going to do today, and I'm not sure I have the link up and running. Oh, maybe I do. Underneath, you can see me throwing all my stuff in the air because we have a quiz. It is coming, and I don't know that I'm ready. So you are going to review one more time with the quizzes. Oh, my game code is expired. That's okay. That link will work for you, but you'll have this one, the human body systems, to go through. You're going to play the game when the link is up and running because currently it is not. But it will be working for you. This is done in advance. So enjoy your Wednesday review. You will review one more time tomorrow during class, and then we will take our short body systems quiz.